Hi, in this video, we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair US30 in multiple time frames for the upcoming week from the date of 6 towards 10th February 2023. Now, US30 on a weekly time frame throughout this entire week continued to face resistance at this key level and came all the way down to make a retest on this higher time frame uptrend line once again and face this strong price rejection and close this week by facing price rejection from both sides. Now, US30 has created a support as well at this key level. As you can see, all this price rejection that it has been facing from this key level, creating this support and also creating this higher low over here, while also moving in respect to a newly formed uptrend line over here, while also facing resistance at this key level over here. So on the upcoming week, if US30 does continue to respect this support and makes a breakout of this resistance level with further bullish momentum, then we might expect US30 to continue pushing up in respect to this uptrend line to create a new higher high towards this next key level, which has this multiple major retest points. Similarly, if on the upcoming week US30 does continue to face resistance from these highs and makes a break and close below this support level with further bearish momentum, that might be an indication of US30 making a breakout of this uptrend line and might continue to push down towards this or these key levels over here, which has multiple major retest points as well. Now, if you go to even shorter time frame like a daily time frame, then you can see how US30 is currently shrinking the price in between two trend lines. As you can see, these lower highs, higher lows being formed in between this resistance and also support level over here that we just talked about on the weekly time frame as well. Now, this is a formation of kind of a bullish or a bullish flag pattern or like a symmetrical triangle pattern, and we're gonna be looking for trace on the breakout of this pattern over here, whether on the bullish side or on the bearish side. And the way we're going to be determining a proper breakout of such pattern is by seeing a break and close above resistance or below support like here or support right here. Now, if you go to even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame, then we can see the same key zones and levels that we just talked about on the daily to weekly time frame. Here is our higher time frame resistance and also higher time frame support, and also in between those two we also have this higher time frame support as well. Now, on the upcoming week, if we see US30 continuing to respect this newly formed major support with multiple major retest points and makes a break and close above this key level with further bullish momentum, then we can start to look for trace on the long side in hopes of US30 continuing to push up to make a retest either these highs over here or all the way towards this high that you saw on the daily time frame right around here, has multiple major retest points, while also continuing this bullish run as well, while moving in respect to this uptrend line and also while moving in respect to this higher time frame uptrend line as well to create a new higher high to make a retest right at this key level over here. However, if you see US30, instead of breaking and closing above these highs over here with further bullish momentum, if we see US30 making a break and close below this support zone with further bearish momentum, then that could be an indication of US30 making a breakout of this newly forming uptrend line over here, and in that case we can start to look for trace on the short side after a break and close below this key zone happens, in hopes of US30 coming all the way down to make a retest on this next key level over here, which is our higher time frame next support as well right around here, and which also has multiple major retest points that you can also see on this weekly time frame right around here. And if US30 even makes a break and close below that key level, then this is the next major key level that we expect US30 to continue pushing up to. But there is a lot of momentum on the bullish side for US30, so we might see possibly US30 continuing to push up in respect to this uptrend line. But if somehow it breaks and closes below this support and this support, then the bias would go on the bearish side and US30 might shift from this upward movement towards a newly formed downward movement. So that's my analysis on US30 in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. And if this video helped you guys, then as always, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart as well in the video description, so you can see where all these key zones and trend lines and stuffs are. And I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on US30.